There's a simple joy in watching your garden thrive, seeing the leaves turn a vibrant green and the flowers bloom in full glory. But sometimes, despite our best efforts, plants need a little extra help to reach their full potential. You don't need expensive feeds. There's a natural, time-tested way to revive your garden that's both effective and eco-friendly. This method works in harmony with nature, bringing life back to your soil almost overnight and fostering a healthier ecosystem. The secret? A homemade fertilizer you can make with just 3 simple ingredients, all of which you might already have at home. It's a living tonic for your soil, not just a quick fix for your plants. This approach nurtures the soil, ensuring long-term health and vitality. Forget chemical feeds. This is about getting your hands dirty and connecting with the earth, fostering a deeper bond with your garden. The results are healthier, more sustainable, and you'll see the difference in days. Your plants will look more vibrant and robust. When you feed the soil, not just the plant, everything thrives. The roots grow stronger, and the plants become more resilient. This recipe builds a foundation of life beneath the surface, creating a bustling community of microbes that support plant health. So let's make something wonderful for your garden together. It's a rewarding process that brings joy and satisfaction. I'll guide you step by step. No rush, just the pleasure of gardening. Enjoy each moment as you nurture your plants. We'll turn simple, natural things into a powerful elixir for your plants. This mixture will invigorate your garden like never before. This is about understanding the life in your soil and becoming a better gardener. It's a journey of learning and growth. Imagine waking up to deeper green leaves and stronger stems. Your garden will be a testament to your care and dedication. The soil will look richer, and your plants will thank you with their lush growth and vibrant colors. This isn't just fertilizer. It's a way to nurture your garden for the long run, ensuring it remains healthy and productive. Let's get started and see the transformation for ourselves. The journey to a greener garden begins now. You'll be amazed at how quickly your garden responds. The changes will be noticeable and rewarding. Ready to discover the secret? Let's begin this exciting journey together. Our garden tonic uses just 3 simple natural ingredients: charcoal, manure, and molasses. These are time-tested elements that gardeners have relied on for generations to create rich living soil. Charcoal acts as a home for beneficial microbes, holding water and nutrients for your plants. Its porous structure creates countless tiny spaces where helpful bacteria and fungi can thrive, making it a powerful tool for soil health. Always use natural lumpwood charcoal, not barbecue briquettes, which often contain chemicals and additives that can harm your soil and plants. Manure is next. Well-rotted, earthy-smelling manure is packed with nutrients and living microbes. It's a vital source of organic matter that improves soil structure and fertility. It's the food that kickstarts the process, providing essential nitrogen for growth. Manure also helps retain moisture and encourages strong root development. You can use cow, horse, or chicken manure. Just make sure it's well rotted. Fresh manure can burn plants, but aged manure is gentle and safe. The third ingredient is molasses, a pure sugar that energizes the microbes. It's a natural byproduct of sugar production and is packed with trace minerals. Molasses feeds the tiny organisms, causing them to multiply rapidly. This surge in microbial activity helps break down organic matter even faster. This explosion of microbial life is what makes the fertilizer so effective. The more active your soil, the healthier your plants will be. Charcoal provides the home, manure brings the residence, and molasses throws the feast. Each ingredient plays a unique and essential role. Together, they create a thriving ecosystem in your soil, supporting everything from earthworms to the tiniest bacteria. This living soil feeds your plants naturally, day after day, reducing the need for synthetic fertilizers. It's a sustainable cycle: healthy soil, healthy plants, and a healthier environment for everyone. This combination is the secret to a resilient, self-sustaining garden that can withstand pests, drought, and disease. No chemicals, no waste, just nature working at its best, in harmony with your garden. With these 3 ingredients, you're building a foundation for long-term garden health and productivity. Let's see how to put them together for maximum effect so you can start transforming your soil today. With this simple recipe, your garden will never be the same. Get ready for healthier plants and bigger harvests. The first step is preparing your charcoal, the backbone of this fertilizer. Use pure, natural lumpwood charcoal, not barbecue briquettes with chemicals. Break the charcoal into small pieces, about the size of your thumbnail or smaller. Place it in a sturdy sack and tap it gently to create a mix of crumbly pieces. More surface area means more room for microbes to thrive. Charcoal's porous structure holds water and nutrients, acting like a sponge in your soil. After crushing, you'll have a bucket of black, crumbly material, ready for transformation. This is your empty apartment block, waiting for new residents. Next, we'll invite the microbes in and turn this charcoal into living biochar. This step is crucial for building a healthy, resilient soil. Investing in good charcoal pays off for seasons to come. With the right preparation, you're setting the stage for a thriving garden ecosystem. Now let's bring this charcoal to life. The real magic is about to begin. Get your charcoal ready. It's time to activate it. Your soil's future starts here. Now let's activate the charcoal and transform it into living biochar, a powerful amendment for your soil that goes far beyond just adding plain charcoal. Biochar is essentially charcoal that's been charged with nutrients and beneficial microbes. If you add plain, uncharged charcoal to your garden, it can actually absorb nutrients from the soil, making them less available to your plants. That's why this activation step is so important. In a large bucket, combine about 10 liters of crushed charcoal with 2 liters of well-rotted manure. The manure provides both nutrients and a diverse community of microbes that will colonize the charcoal. The ratio isn't critical, just aim for about 5 parts charcoal to 1 part manure. If you have more or less, don't worry, the process is quite forgiving. Mix thoroughly so the manure coats the charcoal, introducing microbes to their new home. Take your time to ensure every piece is well covered. Add non-chlorinated water. Rainwater is best, or let tap water sit for 24 hours to let chlorine evaporate. Chlorine can harm the beneficial microbes you're trying to encourage. Moisten the mix until it's damp like a wrung-out sponge, not soggy. The right moisture level helps microbes thrive and move into the charcoal's pores. Stir well, ensuring every piece is moist and ready for microbial life. This step is key for even colonization and nutrient distribution. The microbes from the manure will start colonizing the charcoal's pores, turning it into a living, breathing habitat for soil life. This is the start of the activation process. Over the next few days, the mixture will continue to develop as microbes multiply and nutrients infuse the charcoal. Avoid using fresh manure or chlorinated water. These can harm the microbes and slow down the activation process, reducing the benefits for your soil. With this step, you're creating a nutrient-rich, living environment that will support healthy plant growth and improve soil structure for years to come. The foundation for your garden's health is now set, giving your plants the best possible start. Next, we'll supercharge this mix with molasses to feed the microbes even more. Let's keep going and unlock the full potential of your living biochar. With charcoal and manure mixed, it's time to energize the microbes with molasses. Molasses is a simple sugar that fuels rapid microbial growth. Dissolve 2 or 3 tablespoons of molasses in a little warm, non-chlorinated water. Pour this sweet solution over your charcoal manure mix and stir well. The smell will turn earthy and slightly sweet, a sign of healthy microbial activity. This step transforms your mix into a fast-acting, biologically active fertilizer. Molasses ensures beneficial microbes dominate, breaking down nutrients for your plants. Without it, the process would be much slower. In just a short time, you'll have a brew teeming with helpful organisms. This simple addition makes all the difference. Your living fertilizer is almost ready. Now, let your mixture ferment for 24 hours in a shady spot. Cover loosely, don't seal it tight as gases need to escape. During this time, microbes multiply rapidly, fueled by the molasses. You may see bubbles or notice a rich, earthy smell, signs of healthy fermentation. If it smells foul, something went wrong. Use well-rotted manure and enough air. After 24 hours, the brew is a dark, nutrient-rich tea, packed with beneficial microbes. This short wait transforms simple ingredients into a potent garden elixir. Patience pays off. Your homemade fertilizer is now ready. The transformation is complete. Let's prepare it for your plants. Your garden is about to get a boost. Your concentrated fertilizer is powerful. Don't use it straight. Dilute 1 part fertilizer with 10 parts non-chlorinated water. Mix well until the liquid is light brown, like weak tea. This makes it safe and effective for your plants and stretches your supply. The leftover solids, biochar and manure, are pure gold. Add them to compost, planting holes, or as a top dressing for long-term soil health. Nothing is wasted. Every part benefits your garden. Now, let's feed your plants. Apply your diluted fertilizer when the soil is moist, ideally in the morning or evening. Use a watering can to apply it directly to the soil around your plant's roots. Avoid splashing leaves. Focus on the root zone for best results. Feed every 2 weeks during the growing season, or weekly for hungry plants like tomatoes. Container plants especially benefit from regular feeding. Watch for greener leaves and vigorous new growth within days. This is your garden's way of saying thank you. You're not just feeding plants, you're building living, healthy soil. Observe, enjoy, and connect with your garden. The results will speak for themselves. Use your concentrated fertilizer within a week for best results. Store it in a cool, shady place with a loose lid. If bottling, burp the bottles regularly to release pressure. The solid biochar left behind can be stored indefinitely and added to soil anytime. Each batch improves your soil's health and resilience. This simple fertilizer costs little, reduces waste, and builds a thriving garden ecosystem. Healthy soil means healthy, pest-resistant plants. Make this a regular part of your routine and watch your garden flourish. Nature's way is always best. Your plants will show you the difference.